Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by creating a safe work area and grounding yourself. Wear an anti-static wrist strap and work on a clean, flat surface. Gather tools: a Phillips #00 screwdriver, a 1.5 mm thin plastic spudger, and precision tweezers. Keep a parts tray for screws and small components. Power down the earbuds and remove paired devices from Bluetooth. Note typical battery capacity of 30 mAh and avoid puncturing the cell for safety reasons. Warm the earbud shell with a heat gun set to 60 degrees C for 1 minute. This softens the adhesive and reduces risk of cracking plastic. Use a 2 mm spudger and insert it into a 0.8 to 1.5 mm seam. Pry gently around the perimeter while rotating the spudger. Look for hidden M1/2 screws and remove them with a Phillips #00 screwdriver. Lift the PCB slowly and watch for ribbon cables and glue spots under the board. Identify the flex cable and its ZIF connector before moving any parts. Open the ZIF latch and pull the flex cable straight out without bending it. If you must desolder wires, use a 15W soldering iron and work quickly to avoid heat damage. For stubborn pads, reflow at about 250 degrees C for 1 to 2 seconds only. Replace the battery or components, then use 1 mm 3M double-sided tape for resealing. Test audio, microphone, charging, and pairing before fully closing the shell.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.